What's going on, guys? It is your boy 70 Plays here. Welcome back at it again with a brand new episode of bonus missions. Yo, I'm so excited. We're finally here doing another episode. It's been a while. It generally has been a while. I'm gonna try my best to give you guys new gaming content for Skylanders. Honestly, I have so many ideas, and this is just the first of many. Definitely want to complete the bonus missions. Honestly, let's just head straight into it. I'm placing the Skylanders already here. Legendaries.
Dangerous.
I kind of fixed it up a little bit. And we got the most
Welcome back to Woodborough, hero of Cloudbreak Islands.
freaking character of Skylanders history. I'm honestly so excited to finally get back into this, honestly. It's been so long, honestly. It really has, since I recorded the Skylanders video, bro. Finally got a new game capture and everything, and it feels so good. It generally does feel so good. Again, I'm gonna be recording a whole bunch of like Skylanders content for you guys. I have so many ideas and everything, honestly. I definitely want to continue my road to 650k for T-Rex. Let's go do this bonus mission. Alright, so we're doing Sweet Blizzard. Turn off the Yeti's ice cream machines. Alright, let's go. Very excited again, like I said, to record more content for you guys and everything, especially for Skylanders, you know. Again, I have so many ideas. I know a lot of you guys have been recommending me that I do a Nuzlocke. Trust me, I am going to be doing that, but I feel like the way that I'm going to be interpreting this is going to be cool.
Cyclopses have attacked the Yeti's ice cream machines, creating a vast ice cream storm. You must turn off the machines before all of Skylands is buried.
Alright. Time to destroy these machines. Turn off 5 ice cream machines.
Ready. 3, 2, 1.
Go!
Go!
Alright, let's go. First, we get these coins. No, we have time limit. I'm all trying to collect coins and everything. Give me the key. Alright, there we go. Let's go.
Ooh, I like it here. Ice cream machine found. Keep going.
Oh my god. Oh, what the fuck? Where'd the key go?
Moving on.
Alright, leave me alone, bro. Oh shit! Okay, come on. I'm not going across here. Bro, I keep collecting the coins, but we got a time limit, bro. I gotta just go. Oh my god. Ah. And I died. Great. Let's get our next Skylander here.
The beam is supreme.
Oh, I'm gonna die instantly, I already know that. Damn. Oh my god, I have literally... No. I'll do it.
Slash and burn. Come on. You can die already, please. No? Okay. How about now? No? Okay. What about now? Oh my gosh, yo, this health is so annoying. There, let's go.
Ice cream machine found.
Oh my god.
advantage.
Type shit. Side screen real quick. Oh my gosh. Everything, bro. No.
Reaching the stronghold!
Ah! Okay. Oh shit. Ow!
Ice cream machine found.
And I died. Let's get a giant this time.
Deal with the wheel.
Feel of the wheel. Mad villains, bro. Mad freaking villains. I definitely have a skill issue.
Lightning.
Bro, what the fuck? Yo, what did I just run into?
Bolts and
I have
lightning.
another cinder.
California.
Mother trucker, bro. We're really going through so many Skylanders right now. I swear I've been playing.
No barking, all bite.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, bro. Ow! Top 2 better not glitch my shit again. Oh, yeah! He died though.
Locked and loaded. Ha 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 ha.
Ow! Way too close, way too close. I'm literally going through multiple Skylanders. There we go. Stop the machines.
Excellent work, Portal Master. Not only did you stop the ice cream blizzard, but you also put an end to the Cyclops' evil plan.
Type shit.
Bonus mission completed.
Oh yeah.
New record.
I as I should. But yeah, that is the end of this bonus mission episode. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you guys want more bonus mission episodes, definitely comment down below and also hit that like button. I'll be down to do more, obviously. I definitely want to get into this. And again, like I mentioned earlier, definitely going to be making more Skylanders content for you guys. I'm very, very stoked and excited, honestly, to finally get more content for you guys and also live stream. So definitely go follow my Twitch at 17GamerDude if you guys want to see more of that.
Welcome back to Woodboro, hero of Cloudbreak Islands. What can I
This
do for
dude
you
won't
today?
shut the hell up. But like I was saying, definitely hit the like button and subscribe and follow my Twitch if you guys want to be part of like me playing Skylanders or any other game. Honestly, I'm most likely going to be streaming on Twitch when it comes to games. Honestly, definitely go follow that up. Peace out, guys. To enjoy every day, make every day an awesome day. Everyone, stay positive and be positive. You guys already know to have a positive mindset. Peace.
Damn, it's really been 10 years. Look at the time just flew here. This year became so clear. Had to revisit my past like I was low key. I had a lot to really go see. A lot of people came just to peek. Fell off to just give up in dreams, and I'm just here.